Today, I'll show you how to delete transaction history on GCash. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Sign into your account using your MPIN, biometrics, or the security method you normally use. Once you are on the home screen, look for Transactions, Activity, or Inbox, depending on your app version. This is where you can usually see your recent payments, cash-ins, transfers, bills, and other wallet activities. Now, it is important to know that GCash does not usually let users fully delete transaction history from the account. Your transaction history is part of your official account record. It is used for receipts, security checks, disputes, account protection, and financial tracking. So, if you are looking for a delete button that removes all past transactions, you will normally not find one. You may be able to delete some notifications or messages from your inbox, but this does not delete the actual transaction record from your GCash account. If you only want to keep your account private, make sure no one else can open your GCash app. Do not share your MPIN, OTP, password, or phone with anyone. You can also enable phone lock, fingerprint, or Face ID for extra protection. If you see a transaction you do not recognize, do not try to hide or delete it. Instead, report it to GCash right away. Open Profile, tap Help, choose the correct topic, and submit a ticket with the transaction details. If you need a copy of your transaction history, you can check your activity records or request help through the GCash Help Center. So, to keep it simple, you usually cannot delete your real GCash transaction history. You can remove some messages or notifications if available, but the official transaction records stay in your account. And that's what you need to know about deleting transaction history on GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.